sun warming my back. It's perfect.
We're driving through the spectacular Coulee Canyon country of eastern Washington. These lands were scoured by ancient glaciers and prehistoric floods, right down to the canyon rock you see today. And the land is of volcanic origin, so it's been a really volatile past for this area.
That's gonna do the trick.
I love these empty camps in the winter and springtime. And tomorrow, gonna get up early and get my kayak down to the lake and get some paddling in before the winds pick up, because it's been pretty windy each day. It's still early spring, so weather's pretty variable. This is the wide open desert country of eastern Washington, so the winds can really get moving through here this time of year. And getting on the water early morning is always the best bet to catch the calm, glassy, nice paddling waters.
What a beautiful morning. It's a crisp one though. I mean, it's still like mid-March in eastern Washington, and I was cold. It was chilly. Unloading the boat at the boat launch, but all that movement warmed me up, so I kind of dressed down right before I took off. Glassy calm. It's perfect. Perfect morning. The sun's starting to warm the day. Got chilly last night too. It's pushing that cold aside this morning. Just hoping it doesn't pick up the wind today. It's been pretty windy the last couple days. Cool. Yeah, there's a bald eagle circling over there. Beautiful. Our entire life path is like the wake behind each of our own boats. We're here now, and this is what we get to work with and where we get to ascend from. Our past doesn't have to haunt us if we don't feed the hungry ghosts of those old stories that really shouldn't even matter so much anymore. Those old stories don't need to impact us like they used to if we're not feeding them. It doesn't have to be where we came from that matters so much anymore. But really what matters is where we're going to, where we're heading, with all the lessons that we've learned up to date. All those old stories of our past are just the wake behind our boats now. My old stories are the wake behind my boat. So I'm not going to hold things against people from their past, especially if they're trying to make amends, doing the best they can, being good people. I love how the water element teaches the lesson of being fluid and adaptable and being able to bend and make changes with each paddle stroke in your life. Each paddle blade I dip in the water turns my kayak a different direction, to the right and to the left. None of those have to be permanent decisions or permanent maneuvers. What a beautiful day indeed. To be on the water, feeling the epiphanies streaming through, feeling the fluidity of life. Very calm and peaceful out here. Let's take this narrow passageway through here and see what we find. sun warming my back so nice. Feels pretty amazing. Look at that, guys. The immature bald eagle just took flight. Yeah, how cool is that?
The winds really picked up, so I had to cut the videoing short today and ended up loading up early and hitting the road to a new camp.
That was a great, really enjoyable day on the water. I hope you also enjoyed the video. And if you did, you can support my channel 3 simple free ways. Just throwing out a like, throwing down a comment, and subscribing. And if you can't think of something to say, throw out a heart emoji. And I'll know you made it this far because I love seeing you here. Thank you. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.